All it takes is one boiled egg to control sugar in the blood. People's health in general is considerably influenced by the food they consume and their lifestyle. However, the fact that we live in a polluted environment makes it clear that we are surrounded by different chemicals and toxins all the time. Not only these chemicals and toxins endanger our health, but they also contribute to numerous diseases. Frequently, people take routine medical tests and examinations in order to discover imbalances or increased, reduces values of the blood sugar or blood pressure, which can significantly impact the health of the entire body. Disorders of this kind are in fact silent killers which slowly lead to changes beyond repair. One of the most devious diseases is diabetes, as this disease impacts the way the body handles the blood glucose. Most patients suffer from diabetes of the type 2, meaning that their body is not able to properly use insulin. The number of diabetes patients is constantly and rapidly increasing, and thus you should see your family doctor and check the levels of sugar in your blood. In case that the level of sugar in your blood exceeds 126 mg/dl for fasting blood test, or 200 mg/dl at any time during the day, it means you have diabetes. Luckily, when it comes to the levels of sugar in the blood, there is a natural remedy that acts quickly and can be very beneficial. For preparation of this homemade remedy you will only need vinegar, water, and a boiled egg. Preparation: take an egg and boil in the afternoon. Peel it, and using a fork, pierce it a couple of times. Then, place the egg in a big bowl, and then add vinegar, leaving it like this to stand overnight. The following morning, consume the egg combining it with a glass of warm water. Do this every day, and your blood sugar levels will be considerably reduced. No need to hesitate, act now and start improving your health condition and reducing the high blood sugar.